If you've ever caught yourself saying, "I'm such a nice guy, why does she keep dating jerks?" Then we need to talk, because you're not actually as nice as you think you are. Here's the brutal truth. Nice guys treat kindness like currency. They think if they deposit enough compliments, enough favors, enough late-night emotional support sessions, eventually she'll owe them a relationship. But that's not being nice, that's manipulation wrapped in a smile. Real nice guys don't keep score. They don't say, "I did all this for you," when she rejects them. They don't call her shallow for choosing someone else. You know what women are actually attracted to? Confidence, authenticity. A guy who clearly states what he wants, instead of pretending to be her friend while secretly waiting for his chance. Stop performing niceness and start being direct. Walk up and say, "I think you're attractive and I'd like to take you out." If she says no, respect it and genuinely move on. That's what actual nice guys do, not whatever covert operation you're currently running. I spent 3 years being Sarah's best friend. I was there for every late-night text, every breakup, every moment she needed emotional support. I thought I was being the good guy, the nice one, the one who actually cared. But when she started dating Chad, something inside me snapped. I exploded. I told her she was blind, that she didn't appreciate real men, that she always chose the wrong guys. She blocked me immediately, and honestly, she was absolutely right to do it. Looking back, I wasn't being her friend at all. I was running a long con, pretending to care about her problems while secretly resenting every guy she dated. I was keeping receipts, building a case for why she should choose me. Real friends don't operate that way. Real men shoot their shot early and accept whatever answer they get. Now I'm completely different. If I'm interested in someone, I say it up front. If she's not interested back, I actually move on instead of hanging around like some emotional vulture waiting for her relationship to fail. No more fake friendships, no more victim mentality. That's the difference between nice guys and good men. Let's talk about the 3 things nice guys do that absolutely kill any chance of attraction. First, they treat niceness like currency. You think compliments plus favors equals relationship, but she just thinks you're a friend who's suddenly acting weird and expecting something in return. It's a transaction she never agreed to. Second, you never actually state your intentions. You hang around hoping she'll magically realize you're perfect for her. Meanwhile, confident guys just walk up and ask her out directly. Guess who gets the date? Not the guy playing the long game in the friend zone. And third, you blame her when your strategy doesn't work. Girls only like jerks. No, girls like guys who are honest about what they want from day one. You were dishonest by pretending to just want friendship when you actually wanted more. The solution is simple but uncomfortable. State your intentions early, accept whatever outcome happens, and actually move on if it's a no. That's what emotionally mature men do instead of building resentment while calling themselves nice. Dear nice guys, we need to have an uncomfortable conversation because you're not actually nice. You're just running a contract that nobody else signed. Here's what you think is happening. I'll be sweet and supportive and always available, and eventually she'll realize I'm the one for her. But here's what's actually happening. You're building massive resentment while she genuinely thinks you're a good friend. Then you explode when she dates someone else, and somehow she becomes the villain in your story. Let me give you a truth bomb you don't want to hear. She's not obligated to date you just because you were kind to her. Kindness is the baseline of human interaction, not a cheat code to unlock romance. Those guys you call jerks, they're just being honest about their interest. They shoot their shot early and handle rejection like adults instead of hanging around for months building a case. So here's what you need to do. Stop orbiting women hoping they'll eventually notice you. Stop keeping mental spreadsheets of nice things you've done. If you like someone, say it early and clearly. If she says no, respect that answer and genuinely move on with your life. That's what emotionally healthy men do. Be direct or be alone, your choice.